In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the NerdWallet retirement calculator to estimate your future retirement savings. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to nerdwallet.com/calculator/retirement calculator. Once the page loads, you'll see a retirement planning tool designed to help you get a quick estimate of how your savings could grow over time. This is a helpful resource if you want a simple projection without having to build your own spreadsheet or do the math manually. After you're on the calculator page, begin by entering your current age. This tells the calculator where you are right now in your financial timeline. Next, type in your target retirement age, which is the age when you hope to stop working or begin relying more heavily on your retirement savings. Then enter your household income. This gives the calculator more context for estimating your retirement outlook and helps tailor the projection more realistically. Once those basic details are filled in, move on to your current retirement savings. Here, you'll enter the total amount you already have saved for retirement across your accounts. After that, enter your monthly contribution amount. This is the amount you regularly add to your retirement savings each month. Be as accurate as possible because even small differences in your monthly contribution can have a noticeable effect on long-term growth. If you're not sure of the exact number, use your best estimate based on what you currently contribute on a consistent basis. As soon as those values are entered, the calculator will automatically generate your estimated retirement savings projection graph. This graph gives you a visual forecast of how your savings may grow between now and retirement based on the information you provided. It's useful because it turns your numbers into something easier to understand at a glance. You can quickly see whether your current savings pace appears to support your retirement goal. As you review the graph, remember that this is an estimate, not a guarantee. Market performance, inflation, and changes in your income or contributions can all affect your actual results over time. Still, this tool is a great starting point for getting a clearer picture of your retirement progress. That's all it takes to use the NerdWallet retirement calculator. Enter your details, review the projection, and use that estimate to better understand where you stand today.